no exaggeration. No exaggeration, no exaggeration. I am happy that these finally came in. They just got here right now. I have been wanting these legitimately since last year. They sold out. Oh, let's dive into it. Let's dive into it. Let's dive into it. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Nefright. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the thumbnail, as you can tell from my favorite color that I'm wearing, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. And the sneaker that we are going to be taking a look at today is a sneaker that was released last year that I was not able to go ahead and get a hold of. So I've been eyeballing it for a while, wanting to wait for the resale price to kind of go down in price, and it kind of did, and I finally pulled the trigger and I got them. And today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green, which was actually exclusively for women's, but I was able to go ahead and get it in my size. And I'm excited because, as you guys know, green is my favorite color of all time. So this was something I definitely for surely had to add to the collection. I tried to go for them last year, but I literally struck out, and I was kind of upset, but I was like, you know what, it is what it is. If I have to pay resale for these, I will pay resale for these. So that's what I did. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it right now. But before I go ahead, first and foremost, I gotta let you guys know that I really greatly appreciate all the amount of love and support that you guys show me, you show the channel, all your guys' engagement. We are currently on the race right now to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We are literally almost there. Get the kid there. That way, when I go ahead and I do hit that milestone, I am planning on doing a giveaway for you guys, just to show my, my gratitude, appreciation, because you guys do a lot for me. So this is something I definitely want to do for you guys. So we are almost there. Let's get there. And I just can't, I'm thankful for the love and support that you guys show. With that said, let's dive into these Air Jordan 1 Lucky Greens. Let's go. First and foremost though, before I even dive into these, you guys know I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing, and I like to do it with matching headbands. So the product, as you guys saw, the colorway is green. So we got to go ahead and get this green headband on, and then we gonna cut right into this box and dive straight into it. Let's go. All right, boom, boom, boom. We got our headband on, and I'm so excited for these. I'm gonna go straight into it. So we got our knife right here. We're gonna go ahead and dive into these, cut open the box right now. I did go ahead and pick these up, like I said, from a secondary market. I got these off of Go, and these came out last year. I believe it was October when these released, and I have been eyeballing them since. Like, I got so many shoes I'm eyeballing that I really want, but then I'm waiting for the resale price to just dip in price, and once they dip, I'll go ahead and get them. But these were women exclusive, so meaning that mainly if you are a small feet, you were able to go ahead and get them. They were mainly for women. I got a size 12, which is a 10.5 when you do the conversions in men. So luckily I was able to go ahead and grab these, because I know like some of my friends, they got like a size 12 and they weren't able to go ahead, like they have size 12 feet and they're not able to go ahead and, like, fit into the women's shoes. So let's go ahead and break up the box right here. Let's get this box out of here, and boom, you're greeted with regularly. This is a normal Air Jordan 1 boxes. You do have your black and red, but this one's like reverse. It's red and it is black. Let's go ahead and take a look right there. Let's look all array around the box. You have Nike in black text right there. Nike, and then you do have your size tag right there. So without further ado, let's read the size tag. Size tag does read Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG. SKU code is DB46112. And I did get a size 12, which is a 10.5. And man, let me go ahead and actually turn around and show you guys it right there. Okay, oh man, I'm so excited for these. I'm so excited because green is my favorite color, so I needed these. I needed these. So let's go ahead and actually, I want to get you guys a better perspective. So let's go ahead and, as you can see right there, let's pop open the top together. Let's take back the top. Boom. Always gotta do the smell. Always gotta do the smell first. These smell amazing. They smell good. Put the top right there. Oh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Yeah, right off the bat. You know what these look like right off the bat? Heineken, the Heineken Dunk Lows that came out. I forgot when they came out, a long time ago. Let's go ahead and get, is this the left pair? This is the right. These are clean. All right, let's go ahead and put these over here. Let's go ahead and peel back the papering. Let's go ahead and get out the left pair right here. Oh my gosh, the whole tissue paper just came out. Hold up. All right, just putting back the lid on right now. Showing you guys the goat verification. This is where I did go ahead and get these at right here. And then you do get your goat stickers. So let's go ahead and put this back in the box and then we will go into them right now. Okay, boom, here we go right here. Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green joints right here. I'm so glad I waited. I love how it has that Nike Air hang tag right there. We got extra laces. I got it. These are definitely, this is the one. I'm definitely wearing these to SneakerCon. This is it. Oh, you get 2 laces. You get green and you get red. Oh, yes. Okay, so let's go ahead and I know you guys want to see it. Let's go ahead and review the left. So starting from the outsole, you have an all black outsole. You do have your Nike right there in the center of that. Going up to the midsole, you have a nice, kind of like, honestly, it's kind of not white. It's a sail midsole that goes all the way around. As you can see, you go ahead and pull these laces back. As you go up even more, you have your side panels of Lucky Green. You have your black swoosh. It actually is like a glossy, it's like a glossy type of material they use for this swoosh. Okay, Nike, okay. Looking at the Wings logo, you do kind of have an all red, it's an all red Wings logo right there. As we go ahead and we take a look at the tongue right there, you go ahead and you have an all black tongue, and you do kind of like how, same thing like your side panel, how it's red, you have your red right there, and then you do have black laces, but it does come with additional laces as well, green, and you do have red right there. Taking out the shoe tree for you guys, you have your black laces right there, and then you look into the insole, and that's different. That is a different insole. It's kind of like a woody type of, I don't even know what to call that. Really, it's different though. Then you have your Nike Air in there. It is in that pine green, Lucky Green colorway right there. I want the camera to pick it up very well. And oh my God, these are fire, dude. These are fire, worth the wait. The ladies, I think these are definitely, as far as last year though, you guys know if you've seen my video over like the top 5 I did for Jordans of the year for 2020, the mochas were definitely up there for me. But I honestly, because I didn't have these in hand, I didn't put them on the list, but these are for sure one of the best that dropped last year. And oh, you know I had to grab these. With green being my favorite color, you know I had to grab these. Let me go ahead and bring out the right pair as well. The right pair is the one that actually has the Nike hang tag right there. So, man, these are fire. These are absolutely fire. I'm glad I waited. I'm really glad I actually went ahead and I waited. Comment down below and let me know how you feel about these. Were these ones that, you know, are still on your radar? Was this ones that you did go ahead and grab last year? I know with, like I said, SneakerCon coming up this week on Saturday, I will be attending that. These are for surely gonna be on my feet. There's some more sneakers that I'm gonna be on the hunt for, but I'm glad I got these. I'm really glad I did go ahead and get these. Comment down below and let me know how you feel about these Lucky Green ones. Just showing these off a little bit more, I know you're definitely gonna get a lot of dope fits with them. I think, what YouTuber did I watch? I watched a YouTuber that had them. I think DaVintage. On his Instagram, he was wearing a pair of these, and like, man, they looked really good, bro. You put a whole fit with that. So shout out to DaVintage, man, for real, seriously. But no, let me know down below how you feel about these Lucky Green ones. Are they something that you definitely want in your collection? Are they like an eh? I think the quality is amazing on them. Just look at that. I want the camera to really pick that up really well. Look at the quality on this. Toe box right there. Yeah, these are definitely going to get a lot of wears in. These are definitely gonna get a lot of wears in. So comment down below and let me know how you feel about these right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to conclude today's video over the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. Like I said, comment down below, let me know. These are one of the firest ones I own in my collection, seriously. I do own a lot of ones, but these get me really excited. So just before I go ahead and actually break away to the on-feet review, which I will do right now, let me go ahead and send you guys a review of these, how these look. Check them out right here. Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. I can't believe I didn't get them last year. I was wanting them bad. These were like on my must cop list for 2020. But it's all right though. Good things come for those who wait, and I waited, and I finally went ahead and got these. These just scream Heineken though. These just scream Heineken. So shout out to Nike, shout out to Jordan Brand for actually going ahead and coming up with this, especially for an Air Jordan 1, one of everyone's fan favorite silhouette. So thank you guys so much for stepping by. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. One last thing before I go ahead and actually break away to the on-feet review. This week, Saturday, October 23rd, like I've said on my recent video that I actually came out with yesterday, it was the Moonlight 5s. I am going to be at SneakerCon Phoenix, Arizona. I'm very, very excited. So if I do happen to see a couple people there, if I see you there, if you see me there, say what's up. You know, I'll go ahead and, you know, we'll take pictures. Have a really, really great time. So thank you guys so much for pulling up. This is the review over the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. I appreciate you guys very much. I'll go ahead and go to the on-feet right now. With all that said and done, this has been your boy, this has been your kid, Nephrite. Until next time, remember, there's only ever gonna be one you in this life, so be the best you. And until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.